Learn English through story with valuable lesson. Thinking out of the box, creative thinking. In a small Italian town, hundreds of years ago, a small business owner owed a large number of money to a loan shark. The loan shark was a very old, unattractive looking guy that just so happened to fancy the business owner's daughter. He decided to offer the businessman a deal that would completely wipe out the debt he owed him. However, the catch was that we would only wipe out the debt if he could marry the businessman's daughter. Needless to say, his proposal was met with a look of disgust. The loan shark said that he would place two pebbles into a bag, one white and one black. The daughter would then have to reach into the bag and pick out a pebble. If it was black, the debtor would he wipe, but the loan shark would then marry her. If it was white, his debt would also be wiped, but the daughter would not have to marry the loan shark. Standing on a pebble strip path in the businessman garden, the loan shark bent over and picked up the pebbles. Whilst he was picking them up, the daughter noticed that he'd picked up two black pebbles and placed them both into the bag. He then asked the daughter to reach into the bag and pick one. The daughter naturally had three choices as to what she would have done: refuse the pick, the bag, take both pebbles out of the bag and expose the loan shark for shitting. Pick up pebbles out the bag fully well, knowing it was black, and sacrifice herself for the further freedom. He drew out pebbles from the bag and before looking at it accidentally dropped it into the midset of the other pebbles. She said to loan shark, "Oh, how clumsy for me. Never mind, if you look into the bag for the one that is left, you will be able to tell which pebbles I picked." The pebbles left in her bag, obviously black, and saying as the loan shark did not want to be exposed, he had to play along as if the pebbles the daughter dropped was white and clear her further debt.